Greetings from Merrill Woods. We have a feral cat population. This right here is Tip Tip. That's what I call him. He has a tip on his tail, a white tip. Sometimes I call him TT. He seems to be quite comfortable. As the days get colder, it'll be more and more miserable outside here. My goal is maybe to take this little critter upstairs with me and make him a indoor cat, even though he's feral and never been to the vet, never been touched before 3 weeks ago, but he's become quite friendly. He does a good job of keeping himself clean. I can picture him laying like this upstairs, comfortable. Maybe coming to greet me when I come through the door at night. He's a good looking animal. I'd get him neutered and get all his shots. Take him to the vet and all. But first off, I gotta get him upstairs and get him used to living indoors. He's been outdoors all his life. Be a bit of a change for him. I'd like to know how old he is. Comment below. What do you think? God bless.